What does the world look like to you? Contours in 3D delicate layers, light and shadow intertwined. But through a robot's eyes, how is the world perceived? Welcome to LANXIN Robotics, where we explore the world as seen by robots, uncover the magic of 3D vision, and meet the team behind the mobile robots. Founded in 2016, LANXIN took root in Hangzhou's West Tech Corridor with a mission to help robots understand the world and serve it. After 3 years of focused R&D, we made a breakthrough in core technologies for mobile robots and advanced depth vision system. From that moment on, cold lines of code gained the power to measure space. Mobile robots were given their true intelligent eyes. At LANXIN, top talents from Cassia, Fudan, and Zhejiang University converge. They are the brain of our robots, weaving intelligence through code, lighting up the future with algorithms. Here, you'll meet tireless robotic co-workers and feel the spirit of a unique company culture. Yan and Shibaipo Jingangshan. These meeting room names serve as constant reminders. Innovation is a long march that never ends, and entrepreneurship is a journey of grit and determination. After 9 years of deep focus, LANXIN's vision now reaches the world. From 2023 to 2024, 3 subsidiaries, MRDVS, VMR, and LANXIN Robot Systems, were established in succession. This one core, two-wing strategy is accelerating product deployment and growth. From vision systems to embodied intelligent robots, from hardware to scheduling software, from industrial manufacturing to commercial applications. LANXIN's progress never stops inside. LANXIN's showroom, trophies, and certificates line the shelves. National level Little Giant Enterprise Hangzhou Quasi Unicorn National Tech Program Acceptance Certificate. Behind these hard-earned honors are countless late nights and relentless algorithm iterations. At LANXIN, we stay true to a customer-first, service-driven mindset. We live by our core values, which is fast focus excellence, practical innovation openness. Backed by 2 smart manufacturing bases in Huzhou and Guiyang, we follow ISO 9001 standards to deliver high-end quality products and services. We believe that robots with intelligent eyes will become a force for good, solving pain points in manufacturing and driving our clients' rapid growth.